Hey guys, here's a quick refresher on how to do limits that involve complex fractions. If you look at this big denominator, you want to get that into one fraction. The only way to do that is to get a common denominator. So if I have 3 plus x and 3 as the two factors, the common denominator would be those two things multiplied. 3 times 3 plus x. No, hold on, buddy.
You were talking about the bottom.
This one already has 3 plus x, so it just needs to become a 3, multiplied by 3. This 1/3 also already has a 3, so you want to multiply top and bottom by 3 plus x.
Top and bottom.
Cool. So the numerator I wrote is x over 1. The big denominator, I rewrote this. Instead of 1 minus 1, I wrote 3 minus 3 plus x. Denominator, common denominator now is 3 times 3 plus x. And bam, I have somewhat unified a fraction over a fraction. So now I just simplified. Check it out. 3 minus 3 cancels. What I have left is x over 1. All over, if the 3's cancel, you got negative x over, I'm going to distribute this 3 to everything, so this becomes 9 plus 3x. Cool. Now, you might, I should, like I told you at the beginning of the year, always write the limit. Okay. What do we do here? Well, we need to multiply by the reciprocal, or you can remember that, hey, when I multiply by the reciprocal, this is going to end up multiplying here. This is going to end up multiplying there. So look, the x's will cancel out, and this will end up in the numerator. So what I have is 9 plus 3x over, well, really, what's negative 1? Okay? And so now if I plug in the limit as x approaches negative 3, now it actually works. I don't get an indeterminate form. Up here, if I were to plug in the negative 3, I get something divided by 0. That's an indeterminate form, so we can't do that. So now plug in the negative 3. You get 9 minus 9 over negative 1. Well, that's 0 divided by negative 1. Does not exist. It's not an indeterminate form. 0 divided by negative 1 is simply 0. So the limit as x approaches negative 3 of this complex fraction is 0. And you could always graph it to confirm. Thank you. Stay tuned for my next video.